finished look of this unit and how are we liking it. Now, my daughter is napping in the back, so if you hear snoring, don't mind it. But let's get into the specs of what I have on today. So today I have on a wig that I got from TikTok shop, and this is from the brand UVEOUS hair shop. It is 180% density, and it is a 13x4 H3 transparent lace, and it also comes pre-plucked. Now let's get into the actual review of this unit. So far, like, it is very full. The ends are full as well, and I really do like that because usually when you get human hair wigs, the ends are not so full. It's a very gorgeous body wave. I wanted to wear it curly just to see how I can make the curls come out, and the curls are really pretty. When I was plucking the knots on this unit, it wasn't really hard to pluck them. It's just the knots did not disappear. So I would just say, like, if you are going to get this unit, make sure you bleach it. Bleach the knots. Bleach the knots. Unfortunately, I could not bleach the knots because I don't have the proper tools right now, so I would have to go and get them. Grand rising, y'all. So this is the next day, okay? The light is a little too bright. Mara says hi. This is the next day. Last night, I recorded installing this unit, and I told you guys like some of the issues that I was dealing with this unit, and it's just the knots. Now, I took the wig off so I can bleach it, okay? I use this bleach. I use a 40 volume developer, and I left it on for like maybe 20 minutes. The first time it didn't really take. Like, the hair was dying. You could probably, I don't know if you guys can see it, but some of it is brown. Like, some of the hair is brown. And then do it again for like maybe another 15-20 minutes. The knots barely did anything. Like, they got like a dark brown, some of them, but some of them are still here. Girl, tell me why the hair was falling out. I did not understand that. So this is how the hair looks. Honestly, I don't even feel comfortable putting it on because I'm not trying to look crazy outside. Like, it may not look like much in the camera. Like, it probably look a little cute, but in person it's not. Maybe I gotta take a video on my phone so you guys can see it, because this is not cute at all. It's not. So this is my final review for this unit. I give it about a 3. And I give it a 3 because if you are going to have a lace front wig, your lace front wig should be, your lace should be phenomenal, okay? Should not look like this. And the fact that they do, like, I would say, like, the quality of the hair, like it's a nice full body wave, but it's just this lace. Like, the hair is just falling out, and like when the hair falls out, it's like the knots is coming with it. Like, bro, you know how long I took to pluck this wig? It took me 2 days because there was just so much hair and it was so dense on the hairline, and I was just trying to get it to match my natural hairline and just make it a little bit more naked, not too much. I didn't do all of this. The hair fell out. I'm gonna turn this into a half wig, right? So this is how it looks right now. I took the lace part off. Pretty much I just have to cover it with a headband. I gotta do edges, but I don't really feel like doing edges. I just want to show you guys like what I'm going to be doing with this. But this is pretty much it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I am going to be linking it down below for you in my description box. And it is going to take you to my TikTok, so it'll be in my showcase as well. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my video. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.